Hey guys, today I'm super excited to give you a sneak peek of our new feature, live video auctions. This will be rolled out in the next couple weeks, so today I'm just going to show you the perspective from both the buyer and seller side and give you a brief description of how it all works. So the first thing you're going to want to do if you're hosting an auction is just make sure you have all your bidders approved. So simply come to this field and check who you want to be allowed to bid, and then you hit move to approve. Once you have your lots in order, all you're going to have to do is go to this bid increments field right here and select wherever you want that value to be. And once that's done, you're ready to start your live video auction. So this is how it's going to look when you start the auction. As you can see here, I'm doing my best auctioneer impression, but essentially how this all works is once you receive a bid from someone online, this green internet button's going to pop up. You just have to click to accept it. If you have people in person also bidding on the auction, that's what that competing bids button is for. And then from there, some other stuff we have in here is a couple quick command messages to go to the chat, like bid now, going, gone, and fair warning the auction is about to end. Above that, what you can't see because the screen record is cut it off is there's an activity log of all the bids that have come in. And once your auction comes to a close, all you have to do is hit that sold button, and then the next lot button will appear in black, and then you can move on to the next lot. So this is what things look like from the buyer's perspective. On the left, you have all upcoming lots. In the middle, you obviously have the live video feed, the product being sold, and the purple place bid button. On the right, you have the activity log, which basically records any time a bid is placed. It also shows up in a different color if you pass a lot, close a lot, or if a lot is about to expire. And that was just a quick introduction to kind of give you guys a feel for how it's all going to work. If you're interested in this and think you would use this for your business, please reach out to any of us and we can give you more information and get you all set up. Thank you.